Every day, millions of children wake up with no classroom, no uniform, no future. They don't have a dream anymore because survival has replaced it. For over 50 years, we believed that this problem had no solution. We were wrong.
6 months ago, New Horizons Nigeria dared to ask one question: what if opportunity is all these children have been waiting for? Today, these same Almajiri children can repair phones, build desktop computers, assemble inverter batteries, and even fly and build drones. This is not theory, this is proof. The jinx has finally been broken. Street children can learn, street children can innovate, street children can lead. If 21 children can do this, imagine what 30 million can become. Join us for a graduation unlike anything Nigeria has ever seen. Watch former street children demonstrate how they now build and fly drones, assemble desktop computers, build inverter battery systems. This is the unveiling of Nigerians' hidden genius. Date Wednesday, 29th July 2026. Venue Peniel Apartments, Wuse 2, Abuja. Every Nigerian who believes every child deserves a future. Together, we can move from changing 21 lives to changing millions. Reserve your seats today. Become a sponsor. Partner with us because the next child waiting for hope is waiting for you. Every child deserves more than survival. Every child deserves a future.